Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Boots Advantage card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, what you have to do is navigate to the official website of Boots. For that, click on the search bar and type in boots.com. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Boots. So in this interface, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for Boots Advantage card. So simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official interface for Boots Advantage card. Over here you'll be able to find the details regarding Boots Advantage card. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for sign up now, so simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up interface for Boots Advantage card. Over here what you have to do is enter your email address associated with the boots.com account. Simply click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter the email address associated with your Boots account. Now click on the continue option. Now if you have the Boots account, all you have to do is enter your password. So simply click on the field of password. Now enter the password for yourself. Now after entering the password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your Boots Advantage card account. So that is how you log in Boots Advantage card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.